Action. And I got the record. Guys, welcome back to our channel, guys.
Oh my God,
She just broke her ankle. I'm glad it wasn't over here because if you can see.
He's off, matter of fact, while we walk over here.
Today we are.
There's pricklies. What's that? What does it say? Honk in. Hook in.
Oh, hook in. This is where they probably paraglide together or something. For like starters or something. Guys, look at this. It looks like a macaroni noodle.
Ew.
Look up.
Oh.
Wait, you look like majestic.
Majestic?
Yeah. Whimsical.
Okay. I can't see.
This looks like the video like the wife has before she dies or something.
I'm about to die.
No, it's like the video of her like happy and stuff before she gets cancer or something.
Should I like jump around?
Yeah, like frolic around a little bit. Just don't break your ankle. Oh my gosh, guys. We may have to call a medic.
Okay.
Oh, she's okay. Guys, she lost the keys to the car, bro, after she broke her ankle.
I had them.
This isn't the first time either. When we went to a haunted house, she lost them and someone stuck them on the top of her car.
Yeah. Where exactly did I fall?
There should be like a mark on the ground.
There's a mark.
Not look up. How far did you? I don't think he was this far.
I think they're camping here. Let's kill their stuff so that they want to chase us down and then we throw it and then they'll leave and we can
Girl, we need to be finding them keys. Not worried about them stealing their camping stuff. Look at this ant nest, guys. Holy crap.
Okay, wait, put some grass back on there. I feel bad. I just ruined their house.
Look at them all come. Those are red. There, you put your hand on it.
No, not.
I'm gonna punch it. Look, it looks like I have a nub.
Punch it. You said you were going to.
I'll do this. Okay, where's the keys actually? They're probably at the other bench or something. They're leaving, they're leaving.
Ah! Too bad we can't go over there.
Okay guys, so we just got done. Layla
Show
did.
the road.
The road is like
over here is uneven.
okay.
See? It's weird.
There's like a bump in the middle of the road. It's like they paved that one, but not this one. But we just got done. Layla did break her ankle about 5 more times
Dude,
after
I
the
fell into a freaking prickly bush. It hurt so bad.
you back home, guys. The place we went was called
Tree Toppers.
Toppers.
I can't give you exact details. I just know it's off 111. You take Lewis Chapel exit. That's all I know. And you take a bunch of.
This is not. Aren't we glad? He's bad. He's bad as.
Aren't we glad